Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to continue with operators, and today we are going to see assignment operators. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's get into the video. Yes, so as we can see on the screen, we have these assignment operators. So first thing we have equals to, and then we have plus or equal to, minus or equal to, multiply with equal to, divide with equal to, and modulus with equal to. Let's see how these works in JavaScript. Okay. Yes. So as you can see, I have created one JavaScript file here in our JavaScript folder, calling it as assignment operators. Let's see the first one, which is assignment operator. So assignment operator is nothing but when we assign some value to a variable. Okay, let's suppose we have num variable, and by default it will have undefined value. But using equals to, you can assign some value in this. Okay, so let's suppose 2. 2 is the value, and we can log this with using console.log, and if we run this, we're going to get the value of whatever we have inside the variable, which is 2 right now. Okay, so this is about the simple assignment operator. Yes, so next up we have plus or equal to. So let's see what it means. Okay, so if I log this num, okay, so num we are having value as 2, and if I say plus or equal to 5, okay, so this time what exactly will going to happen is, so here we can see, if we write num equal to num plus 5, okay, so this is the representation of this one, plus or equal to. It means that it will going to add 5 value inside the num value. Okay, so this is the actual representation of plus or equal to. So this will say num equal to num plus 5. So if we run this, we are going to get 5 is added to this 2, which is equal to 7. Okay, so let's run that file and let's see. Now you can see we are getting as 7 as the output. Okay, similar to this, we have the minus or equal to as well. Okay, so if we have minus or equal to, and it will also same thing, num equal to num minus and whatever value you provide. Okay, let's suppose 5 I am providing here, and it's already 7. Okay, that's why I'm just directly you can console it here, num minus or equal to 5. Okay, so here it will going to represent this condition, which is num minus 5. So in our case right now, num we have it as 7 because we already incrementing here, right? So the value will be 7 here, and minus 5, it should return us 2 value as our output. Okay, so let's try it out. I'll just clear the console, and now you can see the first one is giving 7 because this one plus or equal to we are doing, and then we are getting 2 as output where we are doing minus or equal to, okay, with 5. So this is how plus or equal to and minus and equal to operator will work. Okay, yes, let's see multiply and equal to. Okay, so how it will work, it will work the same as the other ones are working. So it will say number 1 equal to number 1 into and whatever value you provide. Okay, let's say 5 I'm providing, so 5 if I is a 25, it will going to return. So let's log this up. So number 1 uh, multiplied and equal to, I'll say 5 here, so it will going to return us 25. Okay, so let's see the output. Yes, now you can see we are getting output as 25. Okay, and similar to this as well, we have divide and equal to. Okay, so how it will work, let's say number 1 equal to number 1 divided by let's say 5. Again, I'll just comment on this one, so we don't want that now. So let's log this output as number 1 divide and equal to with 5. Okay, so what it will going to return is, it will going to return as 1. Okay, so let's check this. Now you can see we are getting 1 as output for divide and equal to. Okay, now let's see why we are exactly using this assignment operation, like a plus or equal to, minus or equal to. Okay, so because like we have already plus, minus, multiply, these operators, right? These are also doing the same thing. But what is the advantage with plus or equal to or minus or equal to? So that we will see now. Okay, so let me create a variable calling it as num2, and I'll give value as 2. Okay, and let's log this num2 plus 2. Okay, so here the output will be 4. Okay, the output will be 4, and again if I do num2 here, only alone num2, it should return me 4, because we are adding it here, right? We are adding it here, but is it going to return 4 here? That's the question. Okay, so let's run and let's check this. Okay, so I'll say node and then 11.5, and this one is the previous some other console, so I have to just remove that thing, and yeah, let's run it again. Now you see the first console is returning 4, but the second console is not returning 4. Okay, because it's returning 2, the initial value. So what it means is the operators which we have, plus, minus, subtract, or other things, right? Those things are just performing operation on this. Okay, it's not changing the value of variable. But the moment you use assignment operators such as plus or equal to, minus or equal to, these will going to reassign the value for num2. Okay, let's see that. So if I say here equal to, it will going to increment or the add 2 value and also assign it to num2 as well. Okay, so let's run this and see node 11, and now you see we are getting 4 and 4 for both of them. Okay, so this is the difference between normal operators and the assignment operators. So yes, this is about assignment operators, and we saw what is the difference between the other operator and this assignment operator. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.